Hello audience and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with one more campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified. So dear freshers, we are pleased to inform you that Elier Solutions, which is a leading platform development MNC, are hiring freshers and they are offering a handsome package of 6 lakhs per annum, and we are here to share the details about the same. So this is a brief introduction about Elier Solutions. Elier Solutions Tech Private Limited is the technology company behind Coco, which is a decentralized peer-to-peer, secure, private, and easy-to-use software communications platform which enables app-to-app, app-to-device, and device-to-device communication. So to get more details about this particular platform as well as this organization, you may visit their website getcoco.pulse. Yes, so as informed earlier, Elier Solutions is hiring freshers for developer profile, and this is the eligibility and criteria. The candidates are required to be from BTech CS IT background. So, and the candidates who are freshers having 0 years experience to the candidates who have 5 years up to 5 years experience can apply for this particular job. There is no percentage criteria or year of passing mentioned as such in the job description, and the candidates are expected to have excellent coding skills along with logical skills and analytical skills, problem solving, and communication skills. Yes, so other skills, technical skills which are expected are knowledge or experience of C, Java, Objective-C, and Swift development. Then candidates who have knowledge and or experience of mobile software development is an added advantage. At the same time, the candidates are also required to have excellent problem solving skills as mentioned in the last slide, along with troubleshooting and debugging skills. And the candidate should also have understanding of fundamentals of IoT technologies like TCP/IP, UDP/IP, HTTP, and MQTT. It is an added advantage. Yes, so role they are offering is platform developer. The salary, as mentioned earlier, for freshers is 6 lakhs, and it can be up to 20 lakhs for the candidates who have experience up to 5 years. The job location mentioned is remote working, and the recruitment process, it is actually a coding challenge. So it has two basic programming questions initially, followed by 10 multiple choice questions. And this is the job profile. The role, if you are selected, will be development and implementation of the APIs and features in the Coco SDK using C, C++, Java, JavaScript, etc. So the developers are also expected to support overall engineering and architecture effort of the SDK group. They should also be able to write elegant, maintainable, reusable code, and they should also participate in troubleshooting and resolving software defects, and they should also participate in performing peer code reviews to ensure highest quality coding. So to get more details about this drive and to apply for it, you are advised to visit this URL, which is www.bit.ly/elier21. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, so ensure that when you type this URL in the address bar of your browser, you type it correctly. And this challenge will be open from 20th May 2021 at 6 p.m. and it will end on 6th June at 11:55 p.m. midnight. So if you are interested, do visit this URL to apply for it, register for it. So thank you so much, dear audience, for watching this video, and we hope you are finding our videos quite useful. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placements company. We provide various job-oriented diploma courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, Python, data science, etc., along with guaranteed placement support. So we start new batches in both online as well as offline mode every week. And to get more details about our courses, you may call these given numbers. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which covers right from your fundamentals. Then in the backend, we have complete Java track right from core Java to advanced Java and frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, etc. Then in the front end part, we have web design plus Angular, and we also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Python, software testing, etc. And aptitude soft skill sessions are offered complimentary with this diploma course along with the certification. This is a similar diploma course of full stack .NET developer, and this is one of software testing. So you may visit our website as well, profoundedutech.com, to get more details about our course. And these are the highlights of our courses. All the trainings that we conduct, they are live trainings in both online and offline mode. They are live trainings by our senior trainers. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps the students to get all their doubts, queries, questions solved immediately. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages along with aptitude soft skills in the same course, as we have seen in the snapshot of our full stack developer courses. We give a lot of importance to your practical knowledge because ultimately that is something which matters the most in the IT industry, and hence we have daily assignments for our students which they perform in the lab. In the labs also we have lab trainers who guide them in the assignments. Whatever the students learn, they implement it on real world projects to gain an hands-on experience. And yes, the most important and special thing at Profound EduTech is our students, they get daily exclusive campus drives which are for Profound trained students in Java, .NET, testing, Angular, Python, data science, etc. And we have placed more than 300 freshers in last 5 months or so in various IT companies like Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, ADP, NES, Decisive Edge, Bitwise, etc. So yes, please be in touch with us on all the social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has 51,000 plus likes, and you are requested to like our Facebook page to get all updates regularly. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel as requested earlier. You may also find us on Telegram channel. Our website is profoundedutech.com, and yes, you are also requested to follow us on Instagram on the given handle. And yes, we keep posting regular updates on Instagram as well. So dear audience, thank you once again for watching this video, and hope to see you soon with one more. Till then, take care and keep safe. Thank you so much.